Hello students, welcome back to class today. So these are probably the final aspect of our simple equation. I don't know, not really final aspect. We still have other things to take care of on the simple equation. We still have some other linear equation I want to treat. By and large, the answer to the question I gave to you in the part 3 of simple equation, that is multiplication and division. So this is the answer. Try and check it out. If you get it right, and if you miss it, check why did you miss it. Okay, and if you have any comment on that, let me know. Now today we are going to solve a simple equation. Okay, I'm not going to waste time today because that area is a combination of almost all what we've been talking about. Let's look at this example. So we'll call it solving simple equation. It's a combination of everything, both addition, subtraction, and multiplication, like that. So let's look at this example. The example: solve the following, or find the value of the unknown letters. Let's put it like that. Find the value of the unknown letters. We don't know that letter, so we want to find the value of them. Okay, let's look at the question. Let me see. If we have number 1, 9y plus 2 equals 38. Let's look at this now. You can see this one now. You can see this. That's what I'm saying, that this area is a combination of almost everything that we've been talking about. 9y. You know, in the last in the part 3, we talk about something that has a coefficient. That is the multiplication. You multiply 9 times y here. This is plus 2, the 2 that stands alone. Then this is 38. Then our unknown here is what? Fine, is 9. I'm sorry. Our unknown here is what? Our unknown here is what? Y. Do you get that? We know the 9 as a number. We know 2, and we know 38. Do you get that? But we don't know the value of this y. What is y? We don't know y. We want to know what is y. Do you get that? You must identify the one that you don't know. That's the first thing you have to know. You must identify the one that you're looking for. Okay? Don't say I want to solve this one, and I say I'm looking for 2. You know 2 already, so you don't say you are looking for 2. You can't say you're looking for 9. You know 9 already. So unknown is y. Do you get that? Fine. So as soon as you know that, you won't have an issue with that. And remember what I taught you in the last class. When you have the number and letter, the coefficient in front of the letter, that is times, that is join them together, multiplication. Now, the first thing that we're going to do here is, we're looking for y, but y and 9 is together. They're attached together by multiplication sign, so you can't just say you want to remove them like that. But this one stands alone. 2 stands alone, 38 stands alone. Why don't we transfer 2 to the other side to go and make 38? So we know that we are dealing with only 9y here, so we know the next thing to do. Do you get that? So to do that, let's take this 2 to the other side. This is plus 2. What are we going to do? If we have plus and it's moving to the other side of the equation, what are we going to do? Now let's look at this now. We have 9y plus 2 equals 38. I told you earlier that 2 stands alone. We know the value of 9, we know 2, we know 38. We don't know y. So we can move this one to the other side of the equation. And this is plus 2. When we have plus 2, it will be what? Plus, we go and do what? Subtract on the other side. Let's use balance method so we can understand it better. So we're going to say subtract 2. We want that 2 to move to the other side. Subtract 2 from both sides. So we want to subtract 2 from both sides now to let the 2 move to the other side. So we're going to have 9y plus 2 minus 2 equals 38 minus 2. Don't forget we're subtracting 2 now. Okay, we're subtracting 2. So what next? You're going to minus 2 plus 2. That one will be 0. Then you let it out. Then we have 9y alone here equals, when we subtract 2 from 38, what are we going to have? Can you tell me the answer? What are we going to have? 36. That's very good. 36. Now look at this one. It's just like the one that we did in the previous class. This one you have 9 times y. Let me write it for those that are already having a little bit challenge on that. Is equals to, or those that just join us, 36. So 9 times y is equal to 36. What are we going to do to both sides now? We divide by 9. Divide both sides by 9. So we're going to have 9 times y over 9 equals 36 over 9. So this one we cancel this one. We have only y here. Equals what? Equals what? How many 9 go in 36? That's very good. That's 4. So we're going to have it like that. That is. So the answer is 4. Don't forget you can check it. You can check it by confirming what you've done by substituting 4 for y here, and then you're going to get 38. Let's look at it. 4 times 9, that's 36. 36 plus 2 will give us 38. Do you get that? Now let's go to the second example. Number 2 example now. If we have 8x minus 9 equals 7. 8x minus 9 equals 7. Over here you see that we have 8. We know the value of 8. We know the value of 9. We know the value of 7. So which one are we looking for? X. We don't know what it means. We don't know the value of x. That's our unknown. And the next thing we're going to do is, let this 9 go and meet his brother on the other side. So for the fact that we know 9, we know 7. We can take 9 to the other side to go and meet his brother there. To go and meet his own companion. So 9 can go and meet 7 in the other side. Do you get that? So what are we going to do? This is minus 9. What are we going to do to both ends to make it balance? I'm going to say add 9 to both sides. Add 9 to both sides. Do you remember that? So when we add 9 to both sides, we're going to have 8x minus 9 plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. Do you see that? So this one we're going to have 8x alone here is equals to 16 when we had it in the other side. And don't forget we are looking for x alone. So what's the coefficient of x here? 8. Remember, when you want to divide both sides by a number, you must use the coefficient. Don't just pick any number. Don't just say, I want to divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 7, divide both sides by 3. No, you have to use the coefficient of the unknown to divide. Because it's the unknown that you're looking for, so you must use the coefficient. So the coefficient of x here is 8. So we have to divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. So we're now going to have 8x over 8 equals 16 over 8. X will cancel, 8 will cancel 8. We're going to have x alone here. How many 8s go in 16? That is 2. That's very good. That is 2. So in essence, our x that we don't know the value of it is 2. Let's check our answer quickly. If we substitute this 2 for x in this place, that will be 2 times 8. That will give us what? 16. 16 minus 9, we're going to have our 7. Do you get it now? We're going to have our 7. So we can substitute and check your answer whether you get it right or wrong. Now I'll take you to the exercise that I want you to try on your own. Okay, make sure you do it. So here is the question I would like you to try. Make sure you try it. Okay, make sure you try it. It answers to you a lot. Make sure you try it. So in the next class, inshallah, will probably give us answer to it quickly. And if you have any comments or any issue with it, you can comment in the comment box and let me know if you have challenge with any of the questions. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment box, like it if you appreciate what we are doing in this channel, as well as share it with your friends, your family, so they can benefit from what we are doing in the community here. See you in the next class. Bye.